Alright guys, we got a 2003 Toyota Highlander. And we're getting a code which is P0155, which is going to be bank 2 sensor 1. This kind of sensor, you have to buy the original Denso one. You cannot buy a cheap one because there's a chance that the check engine light will come back on and it will not fix the problem. So I'm going to show you the location of bank 2. This is going to be your bank 2 sensor 1. It's very easy to replace. Let's see. The only tool you're gonna need is a spark plug tool like this. What you do is you disconnect that wiring harness here first. You just follow that. This is the new one I've already got installed. I just wanted to show you guys where bank 2 sensor 1 is. You got a tab that you press and then you pull. Once you do that, you're gonna insert this tool like this. And then you're gonna turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. If it's in there tight, you might need a breaker bar to remove it. But yeah, this should fix your bank 2 sensor 1 code. And you have to buy the original Denso one, which is this one right here. That's the part number. Right there. This is the old one. Once you do that, once you have it installed, go ahead and turn the car to the on position. Don't start it, just turn it on the on position. And then we're gonna reset the code. Give it 1 second. Read codes. Again, bank 2 sensor 1 is on that location. And it's for the P0155 code. We're gonna go ahead and reset it. All right, once we do that, go ahead and start the car. As you can see, no more check engine light. Then you gotta take it for a test drive to make sure that the check engine light doesn't come back on anymore. And remember to get the Denso kind for these Toyotas. Don't buy the cheap one because they won't work. If you like my videos, please subscribe. If you got any questions, just comment below. Thank you.